Hello guys, I tell you in this video how to create any wallet in Binance app. So first of all you open the Binance app on mobile phone. When you open it, this page will be open. When you open this page, you see an option of portfolio at the downside. You click on it. When you click on it, a option of deposit at the top of the page show. You click on it. When you click on it, a option of deposit crypto will show here. You click on it. When you click on it, this page will be open. Now you see many coins are show here and wallet. You see a search box at the top and search your wallet. I search BTC wallet, so I search BTC wallet. When I search it, the BTC wallet show here. I click on it. When I click on it, this page will be open. Now you see many network type will show here. You choose your own network type. I click on the BTC network type. When I click on it, now continue. Click on the continue button and now you see your wallet will be created. So in this way you create your any wallet in Binance app.